already a basic algebra problem, but we have some decimals, which is fine. We just have to remember our decimal rules. In algebra, we get rid of the number that's on the same side as my x, and it's the plain one, the one that doesn't have anything attached to it. This is a plus or a positive 17.56, so the opposite is a minus 17.56. Draw that line. And if I'm doing it to one side, I'm also going to do it to the other side. These will cancel, which is again the whole point, right? The goal is to get that x alone, and I'm slowly taking away certain things that are in that same space. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. I feel like I need a little more room, so I'm just going to rewrite this, just so I don't make any mistakes. Lined up my decimals. 6 minus 6 is 0. I have to do some borrowing. So I borrow from the 2. That makes this a 10. Borrow from that 10. It makes it a 9. And this guy gets full credit, is what I call it, full credit. 11 minus 5. Going to give me 6. Bring down my decimal. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this subtraction gives me $12, or 12.60. That's canceled. Bring down 5x. Last step, divide by 5. So 12.6 divided by 5. Take your decimal up into your answer. 5 does not go into 1, so we put a 0. 5 into 12 is twice. That's 10. Subtract. Now, take a look at your answer choices, because I'm at the point where I can stop. This is a 0.2 answer, so that's not it, that's not it, that's not it, that's it. But I can keep going, I can show you. Bring down that 6. 5 into 26 is 5 times, that's a 25. Subtract, we get 1. Add another 0, bring it down. And 5 into 10 is twice. That's where I get my answer from.